What you working on?
Another 412 custom.
Who's that one for?
You.
For me? I get my very own custom 412?
Yeah, I was just going through some of the pictures now up to this point and really thought I want to show people where we're at with this.
With this, and tell me some of the stuff that you've done to make it especially just for me.
Right now I'm just lightly sanding off some of this sealer that I've got on here, but for sure I'd go over some of the things that I've done to this thing so far to make it your very own custom. Well, to start off, 7'5" wide nose pintail. Should be pretty damn epic for the lakes and the ocean. Got a fairly flat deck with some taper out to the rails. I've left it pretty thick. Not sure how much you can see here. Just over 3 inches thick. Narrowed up the nose a smidge. Kept the tail kinda thick. And the reason why? You're a bit heavy on that back foot. Maximum glide working into this thing. We've got a lot of contour going on in the middle here. I've got a lot of concave right here in the chest area to about mid-board. As we come to the back, a little hard to see, but we're going into almost a double V convex tail. This narrowed up tail should really allow this thing to turn, get down the line, having some maneuverability in this thing. 60/40 rails. Nice hard edge back here. Quite a bit of rocker into this for a 7'5" fun board. 4.5 inches in the nose, 2 inches in the tail. For now, I'm gonna get this all smoothed out and ready. Next step, fin boxes.
All right, so what'd you decide on for fin placement for me?
Well, on this guy, or girl, I suppose, I am thinking we're gonna go with a quad. And I don't think I know. We're gonna go with a quad. It is a fairly wide board, but it narrows up quite a bit in this tail section. So I did move the front fins of the quad about 1.5 inches more forward than what's typical, keeping the rears about 3/4 of an inch more forward than what's typical. That should allow for a good placement or space in between these fins for a lot of water flow, maximize that drive down the line.
So I get 4 fins?
Finish up these last few measurements here and we'll get cut. All set, ready to go. Test fit these guys in here. What do you think about that, my dear?
So pretty.
say this is my favorite part. Taping off the whole top here, because we have picked a special color for the bottom of this board. One of Mandy's favorites. Why don't you tell them about it?
So the color I picked is an iridescent emerald green. That's gonna go so good with the top of this board.
That you're gonna have to hang on for a future episode. Special, custom even, of what we're doing to the top of this board. This bottom color is gonna go so well with it, like she said. And it's kind of one of her favorites. Ready?
Ready.
All right, all the colors on. Peel this tape off. And hey, for the rest of this build, why don't you do yourself a favor, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified of the rest of this build. Until the next time, thanks for watching along.